What's up guys, it's Cody with 3D Printing and Technology. So this past weekend, 3D Printing and Technology sent me to the World MakerFaire in New York City. If you didn't know what that is, it's like a convention or craft type fair, I guess, where 3D printing, electronics, fabrication, craft stuff, and some other type of fields come together and have like a big event of exhibits and booths and such. It was sponsored by MakerFaire, which is a world organization that has these type of fairs throughout the country and world. But this one is a flagship one, so this one is supposed to be the biggest. But they also have mini Maker Fairs and featured Maker Fairs. So here are some of the clips that I shot while I was up there. It shows some behind the scenes, like walking through the 3D printing booths and some of the bigger names in the industry like Mosaic or Persa or Buildtech. But we mostly stayed to the 3D printing side of things. But there's also a few other exhibits we filmed as well, so you can get a sense of what it was like up there. So here it is.
Oh yeah.
How are ya? Thanks so much. Right next to your printer, as you can see, Bobby right now is actually loading a print. You just have to attach that Teflon tube to your printer's extruder, and then from there we have a couple of programs that actually come straight from. I'm wondering how that works, because the transitions are pretty are really exact on this.
One of these years, I'm going to make sure it's out.
The print, so it's not like a classical, like a really cool.
I do have one you can take home right now, but we're done running, so
Yeah.
can you breathe for a second?
You know our print. Try some?
Two reasons. One, it's aesthetically pleasing. I like it. It's just. All right.
North Carolina.
By the same machine, that would do it, right? So he and his students designed, the very first one was Darwin, was a cube. And then this is the second version, Mendel, which is web shaped, which fixed some of the jamming problems with the first version. Resin ones, the liquid ones, or the $50,000 Stratus machines, they were all based on the reference.
Okay, so but with this upgrade, you can
So you would like add that on this one?
If you want workspace, you can see the printer. We have an artificial office. We have
Okay, so as well, I have 3 printers and electronic craft stuff. Still walking around some. Hopefully we'll find a chocolate 3 printer, but I haven't seen signs of it. I've seen Beartech, Prosa, and Mosaic, and a few more other ones.
check it out, this has got a spike.
If you have it's somewhere floating around, but yeah, we still have to do that. Okay. The problem.
This is like So you can this Wait, where's even the chocolate?
It's all inside of here. So it's in a syringe inside of there. That's what Have fun.
Yeah?
That's check. Double set. Didn't say double set.
Well, that actually needed
Works for me.
Shane, right?
Yes.
I'm Gary. We never met, but we might have been Earth. Were you at Earth?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Well, I left Earth and I bought an MakerFaire.
Oh nice.
And a multi-material unit.
Nice.
I had the MakerFaire put together. I learned so much by doing. I had an Ultimaker book previously, so I learned so much by doing it. I had a little trouble with the adjustment.
That way you can keep the color.
Yeah, because it's problem separate, but
Hard getting the color.
you never mix one bottle, the second will be different. So the solution will be different.
Well, and quality control will be. I'm guessing, and I guess the other big question is, I know you guys shipping stuff to the US, all the countries have been over $1,000, so there isn't that.
I know, I just got here, but it was like, you know, I got to go with that part.
What kind of use of
There you go.
They have MakerFaire.
Okay.
So occasionally if you want to do something like boxes, you can ship it on the car.
Right.
But if you like this video or want to see the latest videos first, make sure you click subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.